It's February 17th. It's been in the single digits. I have a few minutes before work, and we finally got a 49-degree day, so I'm absolutely going to take advantage and build this greenhouse. Let's see if I can finish building it before my shift. So I did get this greenhouse on sale for Black Friday on Amazon. They actually had a smaller one on sale, and then they also had this one, which was cheaper. And I was like, wait, what? Is this real? And it was so outlandish that I was like, oh, I gotta get it. I gotta try it. The sale was so crazy, I couldn't pass it up. And starting seeds, you need more space inside, so you kind of want to harden off the other plants and let them be outside as soon as possible. And so I'm excited to try this greenhouse. I'm gonna let you guys know how it goes. I'm gonna do like a review on it. And it didn't come in this box, it came in another box, but I threw the bigger box out. So this is what came. Let's see. This is obviously the greenhouse plastic. This is the top pieces, guessing. Poles, small poles. Then they have longer poles. And 8 of these, whatever they are. This must be like the caps for each shelf. Yeah, exactly. Some directions. Just one page. Okay. And these are flimsy. I must say, these are flimsy. They don't feel strong. These don't feel strong. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. But I don't even think I paid $20 for this. So we shall see. But yeah, I don't know. Again, it was on sale, so I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. All right, let's start building. The directions suck. Okay? Do y'all hear the rickety? But I just did use my whole weight to push me up off of this. So building it. It took like 15 minutes, if that, from literally unboxing to all the things. It, like I said, it's cheap. It is cheap. It does have the double zipper door, and you unzip it. It has these ties to keep it up if you roll it up, so you can open it. It's not tall. It's let's see. It's probably like 3.5 to 4 feet tall. It has the 3 shelves. Oops. One on the bottom, 2 and 3. These are, like I said, look, it doesn't even sit flat. It doesn't even sit flat on there, guys. Oh my goodness. um, it's called Pure Garden. I'm gonna obviously put a picture or something and show you guys which one it is. Like I said, I think this was not even $20, but I'll show it to you guys. Hopefully it's functional, even though it is kind of, not well made, but definitely going to probably have to zip tie these down or something. I don't know. Whoop. So yeah, I'm about to go put it outside. I got like 20 minutes before I have to leave. Green stock trays are not the same size as normal seed starting trays, which is 10 by 20. So I really want to see if this will fit in here. I think it definitely will though, and I'm super excited for that. So let's see. It fits. It fits. Okay. It fits very comfortably. I love that. It looks so pretty. It's just so cute. Like, what? I got a greenhouse. Okay, and then let's see if I want to do two. No, I can't do two. But I don't know. It's good. So we're gonna take her outside. We're gonna take her outside. We're gonna take her out. Take her outside. I decided that I think because today is the first day of them being in the sun, I'm not going to put it in the brightest place. And this is where the sun leaves first. So I'll let them get like a few hours of the sun for today. And then as the days go by, I may actually move it all the way across town. So we'll see though. We'll see. So I was able to build the greenhouse with enough time to get to work. Super excited. It took about 20 minutes. Again, it is kind of flimsy, but with the plants in here, this feels much more weighed down, obviously. The green stock trays fit in there, so that is a plus. And I'll probably be able to fit some plants like in on the side if I scooch them over, like outside of the actual tray. Like I feel like, yeah, see? And I could probably put it this way, yeah. So if I do it this way, then 3 of them will fit in here on the side, which is amazing. So I am not mad at it. Let's just see where I'm gonna end up putting it for real, how I'm gonna anchor it down. And now I need to get netting because I don't want any insects. So this week, today is Tuesday. For the next like 5 days, we have good days like above freezing. So high 30s, possible low 40s. So these are transitioning. They will be coming in and out. So they'll come out in the mornings and they'll go in at night. So the process has started. The garden is beginning. 2026, here we come. So excited. So tell me, do you guys have a greenhouse? Tell me, are you hardening your stuff off? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe because we what? we grow together.
Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next episode.